Hello and welcome to the full PAWS presentation on PetSafe, how pet registration can regulate the online puppy trade. So what is the problem? There are currently cruelly produced, illegally imported and often sick puppies, bringing in huge profits for illegal dealers. Classified ad sites are the main sales channels. They are hardly regulated, permit anonymous use, and the dealers disappear soon after the sales. EU countries investigated the online pet trade ads and found traces of illegal transports, lack of trader identification and the use of fake pet IDs. They concluded that e-commerce controls need to be strengthened. The EU Parliament called in February 2020 the EU Commission to stop the illegal puppy trade by law. Our approach is to make the online trade safe and block market access for unscrupulous dealers. Only registered dogs can be advertised by traceable sellers. PAWS and EuroPetNet have partnered up for a solution. So why EuroPetNet? Well, they run a central European reference registry which tells us on which database details on a pet are stored. So for example, reuniting lost pets with owners. They have 42 pet registration database members from 26 different countries in the EU and Europe. They store over 92 million data files on pets and have over 20 years' experience in monitoring fraudulent activity. And why PAWS? We're an international animal welfare organisation and we've worked for over 12 years on the illegal puppy trade and focused on the online trade since 2016. We've developed the model solution to regulate the online puppy trade in 2019. Our solution is PetSafe, where only registered dogs can be advertised online by traceable sellers. The benefits of this is that it's a simple solution for classified sites and users. All puppies must be registered before the sale. Responsible sellers can sell online and illegal competitors will lose access to the market. Authorities can trace puppies and sellers in the event of future contentions. It will increase consumer protection and improve animal welfare, and governments will be able to increase their tax revenues. With this process, authorities can identify the origin of any animal as well as the involved stakeholders. We need a dog's microchip number and to include all subsequent people involved with this animal, such as the registered vet, breeders, sellers, and so forth, included in the National Pet Registration Database. In 2021, the new EU Animal Health Law comes into force, which will require breeders and sellers on a commercial level to register their business in newly created national databases, where each of them will receive a registration number. We need to combine these business registration numbers into the national pet registration databases so that all the data is combined in one place. This can then be provided to an international overview site such as EuroPetNet. Classified ad sites can verify the pet registration via automated checks with pet registration database, and an interface with EuroPetNet will ensure that all of this information is correct. So what will be checked with PetSafe? The seller will provide the pet's microchip number to classified ad sites, which will then be searched through the PetSafe API. If the chip is registered, a one-time code is sent to the owner's registered contact details to post the ad live. Only once a dog's registration is verified can the ad go live, which means fraudulent copy and pasting of information from other ads will not be possible. We can also add additional information to be verified, but this will depend on technicalities, participating registries, and the availability of data in the pet registries. We'd include more information about the dog, such as the age, breed, country of registration, and date of registration, and more information about the seller, such as the establishment registration number to distinguish between private and commercial sellers, and potentially the name and the address, but this will be subject to GDPR regulations. So what is needed to make this work? We need reliable data inside the pet registries, identity verified owners with no fake names, especially when it becomes a sales requirement. We'll need EU-wide mandatory identification and registration in compatible and harmonised systems. We'll also need to add the Animal Health Law establishment registration numbers to the dogs file in the pet registry. Together with volunteer pet registries and classified ad sites, we can implement a pilot project. It shall provide a framework for national legislation to control online advertisements. In conclusion, reliable pet and owner registration is the key to ending the illegal online puppy trade. If you want to get involved in PetSafe, or if you have any questions or feedback, then please contact us using the information provided on this slide. Thank you.